Prajakta. Hello, Rohit. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. Good to see your smile again, Prajakta. Happy to see you, Rohit, as well. And I think you guys are having the time of your life right now because 2020 ho, kuch bhi ho. मुझे लगता है a lot of people feel and you're coming up with mismatch. I must talk to Rohit about it as well because it's a very lovely week for you. 12th Ludo, then again there's mismatch. So a lot of stuff going in for all of you. I see your videos as well, Prajakta. They're so entertaining all the time. First of all, many, many congratulations. And I want to start with you, Prajakta. The first question being that, the Prajakta that I know, I mean, she is basically someone who is, she had certain plans in her life, but then what she's doing today, the great work that she's doing today, it was not a part of her plan. Like, being such a digital sensation and blogger, you wanted to be an RJ. But the character of Dimple, she wants everything, very disciplined and planned. Like, usne jo plan kiya hai, usko wahi karna, and that's how she is. But I'm not really sure whether Prajakta in reality has seen something like that. So when you're trying to get into a character like that, and when you want it to blend in your own reflection, when you're playing that on screen, what are the difficulties that you face so that you get the character sketch right?
I'll tell you what, actually,
Yeah.
जब प्राजक्ता 17 साल की थी तब उसको तो रेडियो जॉकी ही बनना था ना. So at that time YouTube wasn't a thing. So actually I quite relate with Dimple on that because I knew I was that person who had mapped everything out for my own life. I was like, okay, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. इस चक्कर में I quite related with her on that. And यार challenges मैं बहुत honestly बता रही हूँ, कुछ भी बिल्कुल feel नहीं हुए. Because our directors and our writers did such a wonderful job with understanding the characters before we even got on set. इस चक्कर में जब हम हमारा पहला सीन परफॉर्म करने गए तो जिस हिसाब से हमें बताया गया डिम्पल के बारे में या ऋषि के बारे में, we felt like we already knew them. So it wasn't much of a challenge there, and I think all the credit for that goes to our wonderful direction and writing team.
Yeah. And I think it's going well as well. When you talk about the name, mismatched. So you got to get in that reflection and that camaraderie going all the way because you got to show कि नहीं मतलब हम लोग जितना भी we try to match, it's not really actually matching. So chemistry दिखा के भी मतलब दिखाना है ऐसा कि chemistry नहीं है. That's basically the point. But Rohit, I want to ask.
तभी आती है ना when you are slightly different also, but you're similar also. I think that is what.
That's true. Exactly. That's why we say, kind of opposites attract. I mean, that's how it, came, Rohit, I want to ask you something. When you talk about something like this, I think your character is basically of a person who is, kind of in the pseudo-modernists will call them, old-fashioned, within quotes. But, they have their own set of beliefs, and I think that's totally fine. Whoever wants to affirm to whatever kind of belief, it's totally fine. But first of all, I have two questions for you. Both are blended into one. First thing is that how much of, your character is actually you in person? And there are a lot of people like you in reality as well who are, probably having that mindset, ki nahi yaar, we will be like that. We're a little, I would say old school type romance, the people who believe in that kind of romance, there are people like that, but pseudo-modernists, they kind of troll them, ki yaar, matlab tu to purane zamane ka and everything. So first question is, how much of your character is actually you? And second thing is, how much do you think it is unfair to troll those kind of people who actually have that kind of a belief when it comes to romance and old school love?
But really, Shubhajit, like, to hell with that. Who cares? I mean...
Exactly.
But to answer your first question, I, a very large part of me resonates with Rishi. I love romance. I'm a hopeless romantic in my real life. I think in life, I would think that I'm pretty practical and I would, take my decisions a lot after thinking a lot. But I think when it comes to love, all the practical behavior kind of goes out of the window and like only heart comes into the forefront and like it takes all the decisions. I am a full hopeless romantic, which is why even when I read the character, I absolutely fell in love. I want to do those things for someone. I want to, be like that with someone. So I think a large part of me kind of resonates with that. The only thing that I do not necessarily resonate with is the fact that he's looking to find a life partner at 17. Not get married, but at least like find a life partner. I don't think that was something that was in my mind when I was 17 or even it is right now. Having said that, if I do find someone, then why not? Yeah, I mean, I would not say ki you can't be my life partner because I'm only 24. I wouldn't think that. I would still give it my 100%. I would still think that maybe bother. But yeah, I think I resonate with Rishi quite a bit. And I love Rishi, and Rishi loves love, and so does Rohit. I guess we're all in love.
But it shows as well, I mean, when I saw the trailer and everything, I mean, it just shows, because you got to somewhere down the line believe in your character in some way or the other to be able to portray. Prajakta, I want to come to you now. There's this very funny scene where people are talking, which people are really talking about, is the fact where you are spilling coffee. It is everywhere. You see the memes being made, YouTube mein comments say your apne, Insta profile and everything, where there are a lot of people. So I'll come to that part as well. But tell me something yahan pe. I want to know ki ye jo aapne kiya tha ye. I think you did it on the 7th time. The shot that was taken was on the 7th time. Uske pehle 6 baar aapne aise hi kiya. So few fans want to know over here. कि वो जो 6 बार आपने किया वो आपने did you do it purposely just to bother him या फिर you actually didn't get it right?
The nation wants to know and so do I.
मैं तो ऐसे ही यार honestly बताऊं तो मैं भी nervous थी. I know I was on the better end of things, but मैं भी nervous थी इसको लेके थोड़ा बहुत. क्या हो गया? Is everything okay?
Yeah, Prajakta has actually become a mini Prajakta right now. Now she's fine.
So, oh shit. Rohit, do you want us to?
I'm here. Sorry. It started.
So, मेरे लिए same my hand. I was just looking for the AC.
I thought about coffee and it gave me the chills.
You got to counter those chills.
जब हम शूट करने वाले थे, मतलब यार ऑनेस्टली तब तक रोहित और मेरी दोस्ती भी अच्छी खासी हो गई थी और आई लाइक द गाय. तो मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि इट इज जस्ट अ वेरी हॉरिबल थिंग टू डू एंड आई हैव नेवर डन दैट टू एनीबॉडी कि जाके इतना बड़ा ग्लास दिया उसके हाथ में फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड कॉफी. मेरे को तो ये भी था, मैं कहा नेवर डन दिस टू एनीबॉडी. आई मीन आई स्टिल गॉट द बेटर एंड ऑफ द डील. एटलीस्ट आई वाज द वन जिसके मुंह पे बार-बार कॉफी फेंकी जा रही है. दैट वाज रोहित. लेकिन अब तो पहले की बारी तो मैं बहुत नर्वस थी. ऑल्सो इतने सारे लोग सेट पे थे उस दिन जिस दिन हम शूट कर रहे थे कि नहीं कॉफी वाला सीन हो रहा है, हम नहीं जा रहे, हमारा पैकअप हो गया, फिर हम बैठे हमें देखना है. तो बहुत सारे लोग थे एंड इन माय हेड आई एम थिंकिंग कि प्राजक्ता यू कांट मेस दिस अप. also because हमें बताया गया था कि इतने ही कपड़े हैं, इतने ही टेक्स लिए जा सकते हैं, उसको कपड़े बदलने पड़ेंगे टेक के बाद. Plus Rohit's hair and makeup had to keep getting done every time because there was and that's a lot of
you got to remove it and then put it again.
Yeah, exactly. तो फिर मेरे को वो भी एक था कि I have to get it right. तो प्रेशर में आके ना मैंने 2-3 बार गड़बड़ कर दी. तो वो जो 2-3 गड़बड़ हो गई इस चक्कर में वो 7 बार करना पड़ा क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 बार गलत टेक आए बट उसके बाद तो अलग अलग एंगल से लेने थे तो वो तो एनीवे वुड हैव टू डू इट 2-3 टाइम्स. पर वो 7 बार वो ना मैं थोड़ी सी घबरा गई थी वहां पे बैठे बैठे. मैंने कहा अरे यार ये तो बहुत ही. और ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग इज कि मेरी हंसी छूट जा रही थी बार बार ही कि किसी के मुंह पे कॉफी मारने के बाद मैं गुस्सा कैसे हूँ किसी मैं तो हंस दूंगी लाइफ में. तो मेरे को वो भी एक था कि हंसना नहीं है. इस चक्कर में वो ना 7 बार हो गया. But then we made up. We had another coffee after pack up. We were fine this time. We won't drink.
So Rohit, you got to understand this thing. 7 बार में से at least she has honestly admitted the fact कि 2-3 बार गलती से हो गया. So now you know how many times you can also purposely probably spill coffee on her face if you get the opportunity.
Full on.
I want. एक चीज I was talking in the beginning as well about the fact that this is a lovely phase. 12th को there's Ludo coming. There's 20th को Mismatch is coming. So 2019 say there's this very popular song which has been there. That's been resonating in everyone's mind. It's called Apna Time Aayega. So do you actually believe right now कि आपका टाइम आ चुका है, or have you been believing this thing even before? But what is your take on the phase that is? Because I'm not really sure if you have had this kind of phase where 2 back-to-back releases are happening on a trot. So what exactly is going through? I mean, because you got to put priority to both.
So Shubhajit, I feel firstly, whatever I'm going to say, I do not want it to come across as if I'm ungrateful, because I know how much I've waited for this for my entire life.
True.
It is indeed a very, very special week. I think all that has happened in 2020 can now be nullified, because I feel as happy about everything that's happening right now. I feel immensely privileged, and I feel immensely grateful for everything that's going for me. Apna time aayega is still not something that I believe.
Okay.
I think it's a good thing कि मेरी वो belief नहीं है अभी. सबसे पहली बात तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा nervous हूँ दोनों releases के लिए. I think that is kind of keeping me away from believing कि हाँ अब तो चल, अब तो मेरा time है, and I'm going to beat the shit now. I don't think that's a thought process that I have, and I don't think I've ever had that kind of thought process. I've experienced some incredible highs in my life. And I am continuing to experience those kind of highs, but I think the people around me, my emotions kind of keep me away from and stop me from letting them get to my head. I'm Shubhajit, for the last since the 2nd of this month, I get up in the morning, and one day I'm doing something for Mismatch, and the next day I'm doing something for Ludo. I wake up really early in the morning, and I go to bed really late in the night. I get to bed and I do not even have a thought, and I pass out. I wake up in the morning again with a jolt. I have things to do. It is the most incredible kind of phase that I'm going through right now. I want to enjoy it as much as I can while it lasts, because if 2020 has taught us anything, it's I think uncertainty, and the fact that we have to accept. So to answer your question, actually I am very, very happy. This is one of the most incredible phases, not just for me, but for my mom, for my family. I see it in their eyes. I see it every time I talk to them. I see it every time I sit with them. And I think if there was a moment, if I feel like, if I were to describe this feeling right now, that I'm, imagine this one person, it could be a mom, it could be anyone actually who you really love, who's very, very close to you. Imagine you haven't seen them for a really long time, and then they see you and they give you a massive, warm, tight hug. It is that feeling.
Exactly.
Right now, what I'm feeling right now, it is that feeling, because this is something that I absolutely love so dearly. I have waited for this for so long, and now that it's here, I feel like it's hugging me, and it's just a beautiful feeling.
So I have a segment to complete right now, which is basically I have a compilation of few interesting comments that have been there on your Instagram as well as the YouTube trailer, and I want you guys to react to them. So the first one, I'll begin with you, Prajakta. There's a comment where somebody says, it's mostly say in Mumbai, by the way, they are saying you guys should play Holi with ice coffee. That is what the comment is. So how do you want to react to this kind of a comment? It's there on social media.
As Dimple, if I have to react, I'll say I can't play Holi. I'm too busy finishing work. So I'll be in my room. But if I have to reply as Prajakta, then I'll say कि cold coffee तो ठीक है, but I'm going to get like 20 other colors and go and surprise Rishi with it.
So there's a lot of stuff awaiting, huh? Rishi, you got to be careful. The next comment is for you. Ankita Yadav is saying, it's a very sweet comment, that the mismatched pair comes off as the perfectly matched pair for this show. So you want to react to that, Rohit? Ankita Yadav
I feel like so that is beyond reassuring. Thank you so much, Ankita Yadav. This comment made my day. ये हमने बहुत मेहनत करी है इस केमिस्ट्री के लिए, और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये मिसमैच पेयर looks like the most matched pair, then I guess we're on the right track. So thank you very much. Please ये show देखिए, and we can't wait to hear from you. I'm actually going to look out for the name Ankita Yadav in my DMs after the show comes out, because I really want to know.
This one is there on YouTube. So you'll get this comment on YouTube in the trailer comment section.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Okay, Praj, the next one is for you. This is basically, ये सवाल आपने already address कर दिया, but basically she is asking, this is mostly Sain Dwarka asking, when you actually spill the coffee on his face, did you ever feel bad कि नहीं यार मुझे ये सीन के वजह से क्या करना पड़ रहा है? Did you ever feel bad or मतलब मजा आ रहा था the regular Prajakta?
देखो मजे तो आए.
Tough question, no? Love the honesty, yeah. You heard that, Rohit, right?
In real life, when will I get to do this? I don't think I'm that person who will ever go and splash coffee at someone. You know, I'm not that person ever. So the fact, I think this is what I love about my job, that I get to live these experiences that I might not necessarily get to live in real life. So yeah.
I love the honesty. That's what we are here for. Rohit, my next question is to you, brother. This is basically asked by Akshata Mishra. ये काफी interesting हटके सवाल है. आपने एक डायलॉग दिया है फिल्म पे, where hello future wife, that is what you are calling Prajakta. तो Akshata Mishra wants to know कि Rohit, instead of Prajakta, why don't you say hello future wife dialogue to one of your fans and see the reaction? So would you ever want to experiment and do that with a female fan?
You know, if I did that, I would be I'd be hurting someone's emotions, and I do not want to do that, because I, as a person, I'm very scared of I'm very scared to get married. Okay, I don't think that is going to happen in the wildest of my dreams also.
High five.
So high five on that. But if I ever did that to any of my fans, I think I'd be breaking their heart, and I'd be hurting their emotions, and I'd be playing with them, which I would never do. So I love the suggestion. Who is this by? Akshata.
This is Akshata Mishra.
Akshata Mishra, I love the suggestion. Why don't you imagine me saying this to you?
Listen, can I just say something?
मुझे पता नहीं मेरे भाई. Yes, please.
Honestly, in the past few days, we've just been on each other's Instagram, and I've been seeing a lot of Rohit Saraf fans and followers coming and commenting under my pictures also. And now I know them a little bit, where when Rohit said that I would be breaking my heart, there'll be someone saying, Rohit, break our hearts. It's fine. We are asking for it.
You know, exactly, मुझे वही feeling आ रहा था कि ये video जब, the episode will be out, I am sure a lot of girls will actually, when they meet you, they'll be like, experiment के लिए बोल दो please यार, मतलब दिल खुश हो जाएगा. That is what it is.
हम देख लेंगे, तुम बोलो तो सही.
हमारा हाथ है, हम देख लेंगे. Don't worry. I really agree with Prajakta on that. Okay, the next one is a very sweet comment. Somebody who really admires you. I don't know the name. The name is Brave Guy. That's the username. So proud of Prajakta. You started off as a YouTuber and now coming as an actress. Go make our country proud. You really have a lovely future.
Thank you.
I can see
you
the
so much.
already.
I really wish we had a name here so I could thank the person. But thank you so much. I wouldn't have done it without each and every one of you.
Yeah.
Brave Guy.
Okay,
I fully agree with your comment.
Yes, exactly. But I think we're running short of time. वरना मुझे भगा देंगे ये लोग बीच interaction से, so I don't want that to happen. Okay, the next one is for you, Rohit. When Prajakta, again, coffee में ही अटक जाता है गाड़ी बार-बार. When Prajakta spilled coffee on you 6 times and there was 1 time left, अंदर ही अंदर आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा था? Were you feeling angry? यार मतलब what is this? बार-बार I'm taking this iced coffee, बार-बार change करना पड़ा. Were you fine with the fact because it's for shooting? So this is asked by Anjana. I don't have the surname, but that's the name, Anjana.
Anjana, actually, मुझे बिल्कुल भी गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा था. Actually, I could see Prajakta's getting very, very nervous, and I did not want to add to the pressure. Like, it's just not fair, because we're all there trying to do our best. Nobody wants to do it on purpose. Nobody does that. And after every take, she just kept looking at me, kept holding my hand, and kept saying, "I'm really, really sorry about this." And I was just like, "Are you mad? Please don't be sorry. You just do, मतलब जितने अच्छे से फेंक सकते हो उतने अच्छे से फेंको. Really don't care." So मुझे बिल्कुल भी गुस्सा नहीं आया. I was in fact trying to support Prajakta as much as I could. कि अच्छा मुझे बता, how should I angle my face that you'll be able to throw better? What can I do to make it look a little better? What can I do to make it easier for you? गुस्सा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आया. I'll be very honest.
Prajakta is relieved. I see a relieved face of Prajakta over there.
While all the things were happening around us, I think a very, very small part of me was borderline enjoying it. Because like Prajakta said that, you know, these are not experiences that you get to live in real life. Not that I want to.
True.
Just saying. Yeah, it was great fun, yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Okay, so this is Ravi Om. This is for you, Prajakta. And he's referring to you as Praju D. So Praju D, आप geeky spectacle look रखो या एकदम glam doll diva जैसी लगो. I love you in everything. Can it get more adorable?
See, this is why I say love is blind. This is why I think that. I mean, I don't know where he's seen me glam doll, but I'm going to say sure. लेकिन मुझे honestly वो वाला look मुझे वो वाला look खुद भी बहुत पसंद आया था, because you know as Dimple I don't have to care much about hair, I don't have to care much about makeup. चश्मा पहन रहा तो lenses नहीं पहन रही और चश्मे मेरे मतलब I am also like super blind, तो मेरे हिसाब से बने थे. कपड़े भी Dimple के एकदम ढल्ले से थे जैसे मैं अपने everyday life में पहनती हूँ. तो मैं तो बहुत like बहुत ही comfortable थी being Dimple. So I'm glad that you liked that also along with the glam doll.
I'm pretty sure not just Ravi Om, a lot of fans liked it as well. Last question for you, Rohit. This is again another funny one that the team has picked. Rohit, we want to see your Rohit want to see your reaction अगर आपको कोई लड़की in reality सामने से आके बोले hello future husband. What will be your reaction to that? This is the other way around now. Suppose कोई fan आके अगर आपको बोलती है hello future husband, I think you're already blushing and you will also blush in front of the
यही होगा इसका reaction ना, यही होने वाला है जो ये अभी कर रहा है. यही होगा इसका reaction. ये क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know what to say.
But I think that's been stumped for a good reason. You want to react? You want to say anything? Yeah, if it just smile is the answer.
I will say hello, thank you. I don't know.
But I'll take that answer, and I'm pretty sure your fans will as well. Prajakta and Rohit, thank you so much. We had a lot of issues, getting through this, but then finally we managed it, battling all the technical issues and everything. I wish you guys all the best for everything that you do. Please take care, stay in touch, and most importantly, stay safe. That's all we want, and I hope, as somebody said already, may this mismatch pair be the most perfect pair around. So all the best to you guys. Thank you so much. Love you both.
Thank you so much, Shubhajit. It was such a fun chat. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Bye.